Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today in this lecture I am going to start the next topic, that is factors. Today we will learn about factors. So first let us understand what we mean by the factor of a number. Factor is a number which exactly divides the given number, leaving no remainder. In the previous lectures we have already learned about this factor in some other topics, but that was just an introduction. Now in detail we are going to discuss the topic factors. So factor is a number which exactly divides the given number, leaving no remainder. Mean factor is actually a divisor. If that divisor divides the given number exactly without leaving no remainder, mean remainder should be 0, then that number is called factor of the given number. Or in other words, factors are numbers you can multiply to get the given number. Means if you will multiply any two numbers and you are getting the given number as the product of those two numbers, then those numbers are called factors. Factors are the numbers you can multiply. When you will multiply any two numbers to get the given number, then those two numbers which are multiplied are called factors. Clear? Now about factors, there are some points to remember. What are those points? Now let us look at the certain points which we need to understand related to the factor. First point is 1 is the factor of every number. 1 is the factor of every number. Mean 1 completely exactly divides every number. You can also check it by an example, like 1 multiply by 3. 1 multiply by 3. When we multiply this 1 by 3, we are getting 1 3s are 3. According to this definition, 1 3s are 3. So when we multiply this 1 by any number, we get the number itself as a product. Clear? When we multiply the 1 by any number and we are getting the number itself, it means 1 is the factor of that number. If the product of any number by 1 is the number itself, then 1 is the factor of that number, and 1 is the factor of every number. Clear? You can also check it by the example of division. Like if I am dividing 9 by 1, 1 is actually the divisor. 1 9s are 9. 1 9s are 9. So when we divide any number by 1, we get the number itself. Here by multiplying by 1 we are getting the number, and here by division we are getting the number itself. So by both methods it shows that 1 is the factor of every number. You can check it by multiplication or by division method. By both methods you are getting the number itself. It means 1 is the factor of every number. Second point is every number is a factor of itself. Every number is the factor of itself. Mean the given number is the factor of itself, because every number divides itself. Let's take an example. We know 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Given number is actually 4. When we multiply this given number by 1, we are getting 4 as a product. So any number multiplied by 1 gives the number itself. Same, we can check it by division. 8 divided by 8. Number divided by itself. 8 ones are 8. So by dividing by itself gives the number 1 as a quotient. It means every number is the factor of itself. These two are the very important points to remember, because 1 and number itself are the factors. 1 is the factor of every number and every number is the factor of itself. You can also check it by the example. Third point is factors of a number are limited. Limited mean countable. Factors of the given numbers are not unlimited, because factors of the numbers are fixed. Fixed number of the factors are there for each number, because not every number divides the given number exactly without leaving any remainder. That's why factors of a number are limited. Factors of a number are limited. So this one is all about the factors. What is factor? Factor is a number which exactly divides the given number, leaving no remainder. Or factors are numbers you can multiply to get the given number. And factor is actually the divisor. 1 is the factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. And factors of a number are limited. Now we are going to start an example. With the help of that example, we will check how to find the factors of the given number. Example is find the factors of 12. Find the factors of 12. To begin it, let us find pair of numbers that gives 12 as product. To find the factors of any number, as I told you, you can use the product method or you can use the division method. Both are correct. Here I will use the both methods to explain you how to find the factors of any given number. So firstly I am going to find the factor of 12 by the multiplication. So find the pair of numbers by which we are getting the given number as a product. When we will find the factors of 12 as a pair of number, then those numbers should be equal to 12 as a product. Let's start from number 1. 1 12s are 12. 1 12s are 12 because 1 12s are 12. This is the pair of number, and by this pair of number we are getting the 12 as a product. Now 2 6s are 12. Yes, by this pair of number we are again getting the number 12 as a product. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So again we are getting one more pair of the number by which we are getting the number 12 as a product. 1 12s are or 12 1s are, both are same. 2 6s are, 6 2s are is same. 3 4s are or 4 3s are the same pair of the numbers. So we will leave the repetition of the pair of the numbers. We will not repeat it over here, because from here repetition is going to start. So we will leave. We will just take the concept from here that 1 12s are 12, 12 1s are 12, 2 6s are 6 2s are 3 4s are 4, threes are. So we get 3 pair of numbers which gives the product 12. Now what are the factors? What are the factors of 12 over here? You can check it by this method. A downward arrow and then upward. Firstly, you will start from 1, you will move downward, then you will move upward. These all are the factors of 12. These all are the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. You can also use this method to find the pair of numbers by which you are getting 12. Like this, 12 will be in the middle. This side is for the first number and this side is for the second number. Like 1, 12s are 12. 1, 12s are 12. 2, 6 are 12. 3, 4s are 12. So we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors of 12. You can also check it by division by taking each pair separately. In division method, we will divide the given number by the divisor, by the factor by which that number is completely divisible without leaving any remainder. So 12 is divisible by 1. Yes, 1 12s are 12. 12 is divisible by 2. Yes, 2 6s are 12. 12 is divisible by 3. Yes, 3 4s are 12. 12 is divisible by 4. Yes, 4 3s are 12. 12 is divisible by 6. Yes, 6 2s are 12. And 12 is divisible by itself. 12 1s are 12. As I have already told you that 1 is the factor of every number and number itself is the factor. Now by division method, these all are the factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? As I told you, these divisors are actually the factors. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These all are the factors of 12. Got it? Because these all factor divides this given number exactly without leaving any remainder. You can check this division by the long division method. That is not the part of your question, but I will just do it by one number to tell you how you can easily check it by division. Like 12 divided by 1. 12 divided by 1. We are doing this one. 1 12s are 12. So 0 and 0. So we are getting the remainder 0 when we are dividing the number 12 by 1. It means this 1 is the factor of 12. You can also check it by this, like 12 divided by 2. 2 6s are 12. 0 0. It means this 2 is the factor of 12 because we are getting remainder 0. 2 is exactly dividing the 12. Any other number like this, 12 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. Yes, 4 is the factor of 12 because 4 is exactly dividing 12 with leaving 0 remainder. 12 divided by 3. I am taking this one. 3 4s are 12. 0 and 0. It means 3 is also exactly divides the number 12 with the remainder 0. So these all are the factors because we are getting the remainder 0. This is only for checking, not the part of your question. This one is your part of the question, and from here you can also use any one of these two methods. So in both cases the remainder is 0. In both cases, if you are checking this one, 4 3s are or 3 4s, in both cases remainder is 0. Thus 12 is completely divisible by 4 and 12 is completely divisible by 3. Now we understand that 12 is divisible by which number? By 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 6 and by 12. Hence, these all are the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 factors of 12. That's your answer. Clear? Let's take one more example. 65. Find the factors of 65. 65 ones are 65. Firstly, I will do it by division. 65 divided by 1. Yes, 165s are 65. Now 65 divided by 5. 5 13s are 65. 65 divided by 13. Yes, 13 5s are 65. And 65 divisible by itself. So 65 ones are 65. Clear? These all are the factors. These all divisors are the factors of 65. You can also check it over here. Firstly, we will complete the multiplication by multiplication. 1 65s are 65. 5 13s are 65. Now from here repetition will be over here, because from our next point, from next 15 3s 5 13s are or 13 5s are, repetition will be there. So we will stop it over here. We will not repeat any of the factor. So we will find out all the factors of 65 from here by downward arrow, this one and this one, upward arrow. So 165s are or 65 ones are, both are same. 5 13s are or 13 5s are, both are same. So we will not repeat any pair of the factors again and again. So what are the factors of 65? Factors of 65 are 1, 5, 13 and 65. There are 4 factors of 65. Now let's take it by this bug. 1 65s are 65 or 65 ones are 65. 5 13s are 65 or 13 5s are 65. Very clearly you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 factors of 65. Clear? So how many factors of 65 are here? There are 4 factors of 65. What are those factors? 1, 5, 13 and 65. These all are the 4 factors of the given number 65, and these all factor divides the given number 65 exactly, leaving no remainder. Clear? Hope so you have learned the lecture about the factors. Now your homework is find out the factors of different numbers by yourself. Take the examples by yourself, and you can apply the both methods by multiplication or by division. It's up to you. And in multiplication you can also check the factors by this one is the first side of the pair of the number and this one is the second side. So you can check the multiplication by this or by this. And actually to find the factors of any given number, there is only one you can use only one method, either by the multiplication or by division. Thank you.